Hi everyone, this is my second attempt at the Unit 1 Lesson 8 video. We're going to work today just on a little bit of practice about some of the topics that we've been covering so far. I plan on having our first test on Thursday of this week. So it will be on everything from the beginning, including, unit conversions and types of observations to the stuff that we did in the lab, compounds, elements, mixtures. Okay, so I just want to review some of the concepts and see how you do with them. So you're going to need a sheet of paper in front of you. You'll probably need a set of reference tables, and there will be several sections of problems, and you could just label them. So first you can label this section 1. We're going to do this warm-up for 9/20, even though that's not the date. That's okay. And you can see that there are 3 questions here. So I would like you to write down the question, which process is a chemical change, and then select your answer, okay, not just the letter, also write the words, okay? Question number 2, which of the following processes results in a chemical change? Again, write down the question, and then write down the letter and the answer associated with your choice, and then do the same for question number 3. If you need to pause the video now to answer those questions, feel free to do so. I'm going to move on to the next section. That way this video is not too long and we can load it a little bit faster. So after you finish those questions, I'd like you to draw these 3 boxes. These are 3 separate systems, if you will, and I'd like you to identify each system as either an element, a compound, or a mixture. Okay, element, compound, or mixture. So you'll draw what you see in the boxes, okay, and then you'll label each one as element, compound, or mixture. Okay, this will be section 2, element, compound, or mixture. Go ahead and do that now. Section 3 is more of the same. You can go ahead and label 3 columns. This is section 3, compound, element, and mixture. And then we have a variety of things down here that I'd like you to classify. So we have Pepsi. Where would you put that? Compound, element, or mixture? We have diamond, compound, element, or mixture. You put it in one of the columns where you think it belongs. Iron, compound, element, or mixture. Ice, compound, element, or mixture. Solid sodium chloride, compound, element, or mixture. Water, compound, element, or mixture. Air, compound, element, or mixture. Orange juice, compound, element, or mixture. Baking soda. Concrete. Steel. Carbon dioxide and oxygen, and aqueous sodium chloride. Aqueous, AQ, means dissolved in raw water. So you're just going to place each of these things on your paper in an appropriate column, and we'll check that when you come in tomorrow, okay? Compound, element, or mixture. Again, I didn't put them where they belong. That's your job. So that was section 3. And then the final section, section 4, I have some statements. What I would like you to do is write down the statement and then identify if the statement is true of an element, compound, or mixture. So this is section 4. We start with number 2. Actually, let's start with number 1. It's a little bit different. It's a little bit of review from your first quiz. Let's make sure you can do it. So we have a reaction. Go ahead and write it down. If 15 grams of aluminum react with 5 grams of copper chloride and 7 grams of aluminum chloride are produced, what mass of copper is made? So that's a little bit of review from your quiz. You can start with that in section 4, question number 1. Again, need to pause. If you need to pause, just do so as you see fit. I'm going to move on to question number 2. Question number 2, composed of only one type of atom. Is that true of elements, compounds, or mixtures? So you should write composed of only one type of atom and then write your answer. Is this true of elements, compounds, or mixtures? I will tell you for the rest of these questions, there may be 1 right answer, there may be 2 right answers, there may be 3. So the statement can be true of just elements, of just compounds, or of just mixtures, or some combination of those. So if you believe it to be true of more than one thing, you need to write everything you think it's true for down. Okay? Number 3, physical combinations of substances. It's the simplest type of matter. Number 4, again, for each of these, is it true of an element, a compound, or mixture, or more than one of those? And if it's true than more than one, you write down any one you believe it to be true of. It's the simplest form of matter. Number 5, classified as a pure substance. Number 6, these are always homogeneous. They always only look like one thing. Remember, that's the definition of homogeneous. Number 7, these may be heterogeneous. So they can look like there's more than one thing present in the container. Number 8, these are chemical combinations of the elements. Chemical combinations of the elements. Number 9, these cannot be decomposed. They cannot be decomposed. Number 10, these have a fixed composition. Again, to have a fixed composition means that there's only one way to make them. These can be decomposed chemically. Who is that true for? Number 12, these have a variable composition, which means their composition may change. And finally, we'll make this section 5, I guess, in our practice. And again, pause if you need to along the way. Here I have different types of mixtures. Hopefully you can see all of them here on the screen. Salt water, soil, iced tea, raisin bran, air, salad dressing, tossed salad, and let's say salad dressing is Italian salad dressing, tossed salad, and milk. And I'd like you to fit them in a category. So do you think they're heterogeneous mixtures? They look like more than one type of matter? Or do you think they're homogeneous mixtures? Do they look like only one type of matter? So go ahead and place those in the appropriate column for section 5. Tomorrow when you come in, I'll be checking these sheets and we'll go over these and we'll also do a demonstration tomorrow. Okay, so I missed you all today. I hope to see you tomorrow and have a great night. Bye-bye now.